Now, conversation where 2-3 days ni. And I say, Manchester United some releases 7 players. Man City rather.
Okay.
7 players. And anta, option players now, how many bad players?
Okay.
But anyway, we are in football terms. Now, saying a football na kwa you know, a year project, era, any the kind of direction I want to go. And anta, maybe players in Makacho say, and yes, sir, players no release them because they are not good. See, I can say be a surplus requirement. Anta, what it means, they say, at that particular instant, your use is not needed.
Okay.
I was that team, and yes, why you useless. And Anta useless, and yeah, insult.
Okay.
What I say?
Your
use is less at that particular moment.
Yeah.
And to useless, and yeah, insult. Now, Hunter, players
are soon to be cancer, Papa. Again, you sort about to be catching up. Papa was mentioned. I do a good over very quiet as I know, see, the Bible is useless.
Useless. Someone can
that's it. Yeah, we are useless. If you can't compare that for
it was interesting to know, say, let's be a Omudia band, about shock you.
Okay.
But in football terms, I understand about to a certain extent.
Okay.
Hunter one. Kevin De Bruyne at the 33 years.
Uncle.
Me know what I say. 30th August 2015 na Kevin De Bruyne buy until 10 years in the and Kevin De Bruyne ebo Man City. You say Sama uncle. Bernardo Silva at the 30 years. Hunter 8 years in the and Bernardo Silva abo Man City.
Wow.
8 good years, solid 8 years and wabo Man City. Ike Gundogan ebo City first and oba Abasa and osan return buy. He can go to a time, no, can say over 34 years. And you are also the time. Aso in football terms, football don't cross it 28 now or what they are. And 100, Jack Grealish, Eddie, 6 years. 4 years rather, 4 years. Man City. Hunter, Jack Grealish is 29 years. And also the time, Aso. John Stones, Eddie, 30 years. Wadi 9 years. Manchester City. 9 years.
And I don't hear Jones.
And I just don't fear about enjoying Man City. And 9 years. Hunter, Matteo Kovacic at the 30 years, were the 2 years of Man City. And then Ederson at the 31 years, were the 8 years of Man City.
Wow.
Hunter, with the exception of Gundogan and Kovacic, Obieni who are Man City less than 6 years. Some players 7 years more.
Jack Grealish.
Jack Grealish can. Jack Grealish got 4 years, Hunter. Jack Grealish, you bet me I can say it do the contribution to City team is massive. But and so that not too much. Sir. Because expectations are near what the man will be to say Jack Grealish. Time offer Aston Villa airborne na higher. Hunter, Kevin De Bruyne. Me no ya again say. Now Kevin De Bruyne the productivity on the field of play. Asa. Se si Kevin De Bruyne jabos edge park so what boy 30 minutes no abre. Hunter, Bernardo Silva we knew from AS Monaco and Bernardo Silva ni bi. Jack Grealish maka John Stones Hunter. Now John Stones mistakes na doors from John Stones on. Brandon so doors. John Stones e set the time aso. Hunter Ederson at the 31 years. Now even City goalkeeping department nankasa no problem on who the harder. Because Ederson is 31. Otega crossed 30 something, and as Amber goalkeeper Scott Carson 38. What has it? And this 7 players, Man City someone come Hunter. I didn't see City yes Hunter. Man City feel say now these players almost now okay. It is time to enter into a new era. Hunter, it is time to allow Obi to say Makati mo. It is time to allow Obi to say Phil Ford Oscar Bob mo. Hunter. Almost time now, so it is time to progress some of these academy boys are almost making incursions for City team. It is time to give them that chance. It is time to go into the transfer market and bring these young boys. Victor Ruiz would he had time. I said when can Ruben Dias and count. Hunter, I'm surprised they say Otega Munina Gusotio. Hunter, because it is time. Said these young guys, especially integrate you. Hunter, players will acquire some own. Minka say ebesi, but I see Pep Guardiola also moving. Minka say ebesi, minti ho story be my, but me when said Pep Guardiola might follow these people.
Okay.
Because yeah, when you're entering into a new era, I'm not sure that Pep Guardiola will be useful in that new era.
Okay.
Pepper pay the dues. Man City. Hunter again. City for say they want to do a new project because only this kind of players are dominating for the past 6 years.
Sure.
So now it is time to change the set because you never will say afe omo use no I expose you in their resource.
Yeah.
Now the resource is reflecting say City players and about 7 of them across 30 years, and then the modern day football under the intensity and the pace, it is going far ahead of these guys. Hunter Bernardo Silva cannot dribble again. Pep Abrante FM De Bruyne, they passing cry some way now. And now they have to go. And yes, only a bad players. And I'm going to say these players are City Elysium. They are not bad players at all. But for Man City now, their use is less in that team.
Okay.
Hunter, these players they can fit in any other club in Europe.
Yeah.
Bernardo Silva could play like 2-3 years again. Ebi a Kevin De Bruyne what 33. Ono come bet me for 2 years. Jack Grealish is 29. Wait me for 4 years aka ho. Ederson Hunter on any day, Ederson is better than about 80% of that Premier League goalkeepers. Aye whom next year.
Sure, no you agree.
Obeti me abo. But Ebia no person be boy against Man City. And the other City force this place. It is time. 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. It is time to move. It is time for Oscar Bob more for the moment to take center stage. No more ball.
Okay.
The other these players and yes, only good. But at this particular moment, these players are not needed. Man City force summer 7 players. Omonko. But I mean say I foresee say Pep Guardiola might follow.
Okay.
Yeah. And the other one say I don't know. Players and I'm going say these players are City Elysium. No, they are not bad players at all. But for Man City now, their use is less in that team.
Okay.
Hunter, these players they can fit in any other club in Europe.
Yeah.
Bernardo Silva could play like 2-3 years again. Ebi a Kevin De Bruyne what 33. Ono come bet me for 2 years. Jack Grealish is 29. Wait me for 4 years aka ho. Ederson Hunter on any day, Ederson is better than about 80% of that Premier League goalkeepers. Aye whom next year.
Sure, no you agree.
Obeti me abo. But Ebia no person be boy against Man City. Okay. And the other City force this place. It is time. 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. It is time to move. It is time for Oscar Bob more for the moment to take center stage. No more ball.
Okay.
The other these players and yes, only good. But at this particular moment, these players are not needed. Man City force summer 7 players. Omonko. But I mean say I foresee say Pep Guardiola might follow.
Okay.
Yeah. And the other one say I don't know.